Hello, 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 and welcome back to Glamma J Life Stories. It's been quite a long time since I posted a video. There's no rhymes and reasons, but I am so happy to be back. I have been fighting some major allergies and some major pain. I think it's been officially a full month that we've been in the new home, Casa de Hernandez. And it is almost complete, almost done. You know, it's one of those things where I am not settled. I don't know if any of you go through that. I go through that. It must be the whole control OCD kind of issues that I carry, is that I cannot sit and relax and able to do what I'm wanting to do until everyone else or everything else is done and complete. But I almost got the guest room done. I'm still wanting to hang up some more certificates and things, awards that Ray have received. But it's almost done. I'm so excited by that. Just need to, that's mostly it, to be honest. And also get some of the things of Ray's out of there. He has a lot of his mugs, steins. I apologize, that's the right word, German steins in there. So he's going to make room in his man cave and get those so the guest room is ready. It is March 17th. Happy St. Patty's Day. Ray and I have been invited to go to the neighbor's house. Next door neighbor, Kim and Tim. I want to say that's right. Yeah, Kim and Tim invited us for a St. Patty's dinner. And she is the one that has made all of these homemade baking dishes. I mean, she did one for Fat Tuesday, and then it was to die for. It was wonderful. I don't know the proper name, but I'll find out and let you know. There were these little, I don't want to say like a donut, but it was a bread with filling inside. Oh, it was so good, so wonderful. One had raspberry, another one had another filling. I don't remember what the other one. It's more of a creamy. I would assume it's probably raspberry, strawberry. Maybe it was a strawberry. And then she had also made Ray and I homemade cupcakes. What was the other thing? Oh, and bread. Oh my goodness, it was really, really, really nice. And she is a beautiful woman. They're a beautiful couple. They have a beautiful daughter, Morgan. And yeah, the transition here has been wonderful. And so tonight we're gonna go have a special dinner over there and enjoy her house. I am going to post on my Facebook Christmas group the photos how she decorates for Christmas. It's unbelievable. She's like my twin. But she decorates much more prettier. Oh my goodness. If I had the ability to do what she does. Oh, so yeah, this is nothing. This is very light Christmas scene here. I just finished decorating, and here just found the hooks. I wasn't thinking ahead when I was doing all that packing. And so there's a theme in each tree. And the one behind me, if you see this one right here, this is the family Santa Claus Christmas tree. It has all the kids and grandkids' names on there. And also the fur babies' names are on there. They're on those little black things. They have their... and you have one of the chalk markers with their names on it. So it's just, there's a lot of stockings. So I think that was a lot easier for me to do because there's a very large blended family. So that is done. The next project I'm going to be working on is going to be updating all of these photos. I have found photos since I have been a child and even a teenager. I found all my yearbooks too. when I was even in middle school in 6th grade. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe it. Dakota Junior High. I would say 7th and 8th grade. Yeah. So I am in the process of, I haven't hit it, but I'm gathering all of my photos in one location, and then I'm just going to get it to what I'm wanting to be. So I'm needing to get photos from my mother and my bonus dad. I don't have an updated one of that. I need to get a photo of my bonus mom. It's just one of those things where it's just slowly coming together, and I don't want to rush it for the fact it is a home, and I want people to feel when they come in, it's like, oh, a breath of fresh air, that kind of thing. It's just, I want Ray to feel that way, and it's nice when he comes home and he goes, we have a home. And it's nice knowing that he feels comfortable in his home. So it's taken some time for me. I have pushed my limits, and with people who are with injuries or even now disabled, we can't do things like we used to do. So I'm learning to have good days, have really good days, and pay for it the next day kind of situation. And there's days where I'm recovering for 2 to 3 days because I had a really one good day, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, but I just wanted to make a quick vlog and say hello and happy St. Patty's Day. I am also been getting into plants. I have an issue, Ray and I have an issue rescuing animals. And now my issue is rescuing plants. So I have a lot of plants that I have rescued, and the thing that is sort of funny that I'm going to share with you in the vlog, I have named them. So I'm really, really involved in this situation. Yes, she's a little crazy. No, yes, I have different themes in different rooms. Like, for example, I have the New York theme room downstairs, the Godfather theme, and a lot of the plants are named after the characters or some other names of those plants. And then in the kitchen, I think I'll just share that in another vlog so you guys can see that. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to have continuous ones because there's a lot of things that I am learning that I want to throw at you, my tips that I've been learning, especially getting rescued plants, as in infected, bug infected, overwatered, succulents. Oh my goodness. Out of all the succulents that we have gotten, I lost 2, which is good. That's good. But you have to, they're delicate. And if after you get the hang of it, it's a piece of cake. So now when I buy a rescue succulent, I'm okay. I can take that deep breath. I think the first casualty really is like, step it up, Jonna J. Glamma J, step it up. So you hear Luna. I'm gonna go get her, and she's telling me, Mama, we're at 9 minutes. Gotta make a short video. So I love you guys, and I will see you soon. And come back, and if you want, subscribe. If you like, please share. And this crazy lady, Glamma J, I just want to show you my life and things that I'm learning. So we'll see you soon. Bye. Welcome back. Thank you.